Hey everyone, what I have in front of me is our Blueport platform. In this demo, I will show the powerful capabilities of the platform, whereby it can pick up data from any source. This could be any ERP data source, any external data source, and can also be an application such as Excel. What that allows us to do is plug into anything very quickly and move data around between different systems. What we do is instead of moving the data out the front end, we go through the back and do this by tapping into the APIs. We like to describe ourselves as the glue that holds all these data silos together. But this demo comes to life when I show you its capability. So, on the left of my screen, I have the Blueport platform in the cloud. We host it in Microsoft Azure, but this could be hosted anywhere. On the left here, I have a list of data tables. We call them topics, and I've created a data table or topic and called it Rupert Test Demo and filled it with some data. For the sake of simplicity, in this demo, I will show you how we plug in and out of Excel, but this could be any data source. Therefore, via the add-in, I can use the links provided to collaborate with the Blueport platform and draw down the data from the topic I've created. I can also draw down the formatting from the platform, which means I can change colors and text formatting. As I amend a field, you can see how the table of data in the Blueport platform is updated real time. In the same way, as I complete a record in the platform, you can see the changes in Excel real time. Now, I have another instance of Excel open here, and I'm going to show you how I can collaborate this workbook with the first workbook and the Blueport platform very easily. You can see straight away how easy it is to collaborate with both. I can also publish from the source, in this case Excel. What I can do is create some data. I'm going to call this test demo 4. Straight away you can see it in my list of topics in the platform. And then I can start to collaborate on it both ways. I can also allow other people to collaborate on it as well. Where I do this is in my access options here. This allows you to control who can publish and therefore change the data, or only subscribe and therefore see the data but not change it. I can then do some pretty standard things with the data, for example, creating a sum and graph with the data. Then as I change in the platform, you can see how my sum is updated in Excel. What we also have here is a function called enable test publish. This depicts a live feed or multiple users inputting on the same data table. Through this, I can create live reports that are updated real time. Through the power of the Blueport platform, I can plug into any reporting or data source that already exists. As well as collaborating on individual cells, I can also change the formatting of the table. So if I stop this, go back to my sheet 1. What would normally take months to configure, inserting and deleting rows and columns is quick and easy to implement across multiple Excel workbooks. As I insert a column here, you can see how the changes occur real time in the Blueport platform and my second Excel workbook. And then I can instantly collaborate on it.